Yeah. No! It is here! Hello everyone, you know what's inside? Now I show you. This is my Christmas present. Attention, because this is very important. Are you ready? Ta-da! And also I have this one at the end. One of the last YouTubers speaking about this. But this to me is very special. Wow. See, this is a super drawing. This has to stay in the museum. It's fantastic. It's perfect. It's wonderful. Take a look near at this drawing. Look at this. It's perfect in every detail. Hand painted from a genius. The tube for the squeeze for the screen cleaner. The two lights over here. The antenna. These are to set the wing exhausts. Super fantastic. This is super fantastic. And just for this you have to buy it. And here there's something special. Porsche official licensed product P455090, Italian, English 455090, and maybe this is the license number. This brings me back in the time. But shall we open? Ta 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 ta. I know this is not the first Porsche 956 unboxing. This is the best new car of the year from Tamiya, in my opinion. Okay, this is not the first one, but be patient. I should have the option to show you what's inside. Fantastic. Ta-da! Wow. Basic rules for RC car driving. I start from the body. Body and pieces all in one bag. I must open. And to open, I used to save the plastic bag, because later I will use it for something else. Take away the clips. I used to say take away. Take away sounds like when you buy meal and you carry it at home or at the park, and that's a takeaway. I'm sorry, I'm Italian. I'm not English mother language. Okay, another bag with other bags, But what I want to see is the dimension. Wow, it's big. It's big. You know, I have the 124, the original very old vintage 112, and now this, but this is very big. This is the size of the Mercedes C11. I made, I don't remember, one or two videos about it on the track. And this body is really, really big. Fantastic. Here I have to put real exhausts. And here real lights. Front. On the rear we have this. And this maybe I will open. I will open also this air intake. I would like to open also this, all the openings. Here put mesh, a real mesh, not a decal. There's a lot to do on this car. Okay, and this is the body. Now we open another bag, because plastic is not the problem of our planet. Now, from China, they used to send us pieces for, you know, I assemble for work these kind of things, and this is a spoiler because it's not finished. On the public, it's not finished. And they are changing, and they don't use any more plastic bags, but paper. Now, I don't know if it's better plastic or paper, because to do paper, you have serious problems on the environment. And to do plastic too, you can reuse paper, you can reuse plastic. This is a problem, but the solution is that the real problem is that we are human and we have a too much brilliant mind, and we are too many on the planet for this kind of mind. Okay, returning back to our plastic. Another bag to save. Fantastic. Wow, 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 wow. We have here rear light buckets. I can do lights. One. And front we have this that will go on this, inside this. This is for the LEDs. Nice work. Okay, the rear wing and all the plastics for the frame. Yes, it's the same of the Mercedes-Benz C11. Yes, also the body mount, the motor mount is the same. Nothing is changed. They saved their molding process. Rear wing stay. Body posts. No. This is to mask the front light. This is to mask the glass of the light. Fantastic. This will be a very great model. Yes. It will take time to assemble. The same drawing on instructions. This is fantastic. This is a real gift. If we have to play, we have to play well. From 50 years from the birth of Tamiya, they always say, do this and this and this and this. The antenna, they have shortened the antenna. But also this, with this, who used this? Nobody. Okay, this is always the same. Okay. The body is quite complicated, so we can play a lot. Whoa, 4 pages just for the body, 5. Okay, all the specification for the setting parts. And now inside here, I think we will find tires. And here we have to cut. In fact, wow, this is not perfect. In the middle makes this. Wow, how grippy they are, fantastic. And the smell is very good. I think these are for the body. Just paper, servo saver, diff. Wow, what's a big gear. Damper and wheels we have to paint. This could be quite difficult because inside is gold and outside silver, but we have made something more difficult. Okay, this is in white with black there inside. It's fantastic. It will take months to be finished. Oh, tires all inside again. Boring. Tamiya works very, very well. These are the best kits. Oops. Okay, and here inside, just handling something like this is a pleasure. Just handling. Japanese are super fantastic in this. The quality of the paper. Oh, not too many things. Okay, sport unit. This is enough. My friends. Oh, this is not it. Now we have to see, okay, fiberglass parts like the Mercedes, spring, oil. This is to mount double tape. Okay, then double tape. This is for the body mount. I use magnets. Oh, this is a good news. Here I see 2 ball bearings, so it means that I have to buy less parts. Just 2 ball bearings. I need 4 for the front. Where are the front ball bearings? No, it's not possible. Bushing on the front. No. Let me see. Because those 2 bearings are for the rear shaft, transmission shaft. No. Metal bearing. No. I need this size. I don't know if I have it. Let me see. Here inside I have a lot of bearings, but that size, this is not. Yes, these are ball bearings, just 2. Nah, we used to say braccia corte, avari. That means short arms. Short in the way you don't reach your wallet. You don't want to use money. This I don't accept. Up to date. Once, okay, but now. So I have to buy bearings to put here inside. I don't like this. Sorry, Tamiya. If anyone from Tamiya hear my voice, I'm really disappointed. 1154. Okay. Anyhow, this is a super fantastic kit. And for today, I think it's all. Here, a big work is waiting for me. But before saying you goodbye, up to the next, comment, like and subscribe, all these greeting things, I have to remember that this I received from in Germany. They made me a very good price, and as I don't have secrets from you, this is the price, shipping and the car. Berlinski. If you are here in Europe, remember, try to buy something. They are so friendly. I had a lot of emails with them. We had a problem on the shipping because the container ship broke the engine how lucky am I? And so we waited just more than 1 month to delivery. In the meanwhile, I had email exchange with this shop, and they were so friendly. I recommend top shop in Germany. Yes. Ciao.